feeling glorious. No, I won't give in, I won't give in. No one's gonna take my crown. Nothing's gonna stop me now. 'Cause I'm feeling
Good morning, gang. Today is Friday, October 9th. I hope you are doing lovely as we close out week 5 of our learning experience. Here's kind of what we got going. First, today, I would like you to complete the weekly reflection and check-in. I will continue to reach out to those of you as best I can with questions, concerns, and things like that on that weekly check-in. Last week, the form got a little wonky and I didn't see like half of your responses. Sorry about that. Think I got it fixed. Then, today, what you're going to be doing is a little follow-up to yesterday's task. Yesterday, you watched the Ed puzzle, A Danger of a Single Story. And I want you to really think about that. I want you to really think deeply about that video, that message, everything that you learned yesterday. Think about it in terms of you as an individual, and think about it in terms of us as a class before we start learning about the world. And today, your task is going to be to reflect on that in Flipgrid. And just kind of some things to get you thinking about with your reflection. You might want to write them down before you answer them, but why did I show that to you? Why did I think that there was good value in you taking some time and taking some class time to watch that video and to watch that TED Talk? You know, what do you think I want you to take away from that? What did you learn from that? And then also, how can we as individuals and as a class, as we start learning about the world, how can we be sure that we don't view the world with a single story, that we don't view a country or a region like Africa, for example, with a single story, or the Middle East with a single story? We all, myself included, and I'll talk a little bit more about this next week, we all have our own personal biases. We all have our own views about the world, right, wrong, or different. And how can we make sure that our views, our single story about the world is not the only story, right? How do we make sure that we gather alternate stories and different stories, and that we learn about the world and all that it has to offer? So how can we be aware of that? So anyway, that's a larger conversation that we'll continue to have, but today your task is going to be to head on over to Flipgrid, and once you get signed in on Flipgrid, there will be kind of the video prompt where you will record your Flipgrid. There isn't a code or anything like that that you're going to need. You're just going to hop right on over to Flipgrid to record that video. There will be a link to Flipgrid available maybe, but there is no actual code. You'll just hop in there to record that. And then when you're all done, please answer the daily question. What are you looking forward to this weekend? And I hope, speaking of the weekend, I hope that you have a fantastic weekend. I hope that you're all doing well. I'm looking forward to talking to you all soon. Remember, be bold, be kind, and make good choices. See ya.
'Cause I'm feeling glorious. No, I won't give in, I won't give in. No one's gonna take my